Hello, beautiful souls. Today we are addressing a silent thief of joy and progress, the trap of comparison. Have you ever found yourself scrolling through social media, seeing another business's success, seeing another coach's talking about their business, their success, their wins, and feeling a pang of inadequacy, wondering why you're not there yet? I have been in those shoes, feeling like I'm always one step behind. But here's the truth. I have come to embrace compassion is not only the thief of joy, but also the killer of uniqueness. Today, I'm sharing a transformative guide to help you break free from the cycle and embrace your own unique journey. Number one, acknowledge the moments when you are comparing. Understand that these are mere snapshot, not the full picture of someone's journey. You don't know what they have gone through to achieve that success. Usually, mindset of a normal human being is only looking at the final results. They don't understand what pain, what struggle, what tough time the other person has gone through. So make sure you don't believe or you don't just following the snapshot of the results. Understand the reality behind that success. Number two, realign. Redirect your focus inward. What are your goals? What are your vision? Remember, every business has its own pace and path. And if you trust your vision, your mission, your massive action, you can design your path towards success. Number three, celebrate. Celebrate your milestones. No matter how small, every step forward is a testament to your dedication and passion. And start feeling that power of gratitude when you have a win. And once you start giving it back to the universe will give you back. Number four, connect. Instead of comparing, seek to connect. Build genuine relationship with fellow entrepreneurs. Learn from each other. Support each other. And you will see how your network grows. Your network is your net worth. So make sure you build a strong network of entrepreneurs. Number five is forge ahead. With a clear understanding of your unique strength and vision, continue to forge your own path. Let your authenticity shine. See, fake can be okay for some time, but the more authentic you be, the more positive and the more trust it builds around your followers, your believers, and your mentees. So your journey with its ups and downs, twist and turn is uniquely yours. Embrace it, cherish it, and remember, the world needs what you have to offer. So don't forget, you have a valuable offer and your value in this world is amazing. Thank you for being here with me today. If this message resonated with you, share it with far and wide. Let's empower each other to step out of the shadows of comparison and shine in our own unique light. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you get notified when I share another video. And if you want to be part of my community, the link is in the description. Join my community where I share a lot of information that will completely transform your business, your career, and your life. So be focused, be consistent, be dedicated, and be invincible.